we're being asked to find something that would strongly support the scholar's claim. So we need to go find what the scholar's claim is in the paragraph first, and then think just kind of abstractly what would support that claim. So starting from the top, the novelist Toni Morrison was the first black woman to work as an editor at the publishing company Random House from 1967 to 1983. A scholar asserts that one of Morrison's likely aims during her time as an editor was to strengthen the presence of black writers on the list of Random House's published authors. So that's the claim. So we need to show that Morrison did strengthen the presence of black writers when she was the editor from 67 to 83 at Random House. So, choice A, the percentage of authors published by Random House who were black rose in the early 1970s and stabilized throughout the decade. I mean, that doesn't really get me to 83, but at least it rose in the early 1970s. So I might highlight that and hold it open for now and go that, maybe it's close, but it's, again, probably finishing a bit early if we're talking about 67 to 83. Choice B, black authors who were interviewed in the 1980s and 1990s were highly likely to cite Morrison's novels as a principal influence on her work. Well, what does that have to do with 67 to 83? No idea. Eliminate B almost immediately. Choice C, the novels written by Toni Morrison that were published after 1983. Again, we're not concerned with her novels specifically. We're talking about the other authors that she apparently edited when she was at Random House. And then choice D, works that were edited by Toni Morrison during her time at Random House displayed stylistic characteristics that distinguish them from works that were not edited by Morrison. Okay, they displayed stylistic characteristics, but what does that have to do with black writers in Random House's corral of authors or stable of authors? So D is out. Again, I didn't love A, but it's got to be the best option when we consider all of the remaining answer choices